Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder walking tour. Today our tour takes us to the historic Route 66 town of Galena, Kansas. Our tour begins at the popular Cars on the Route exhibit here in Galena. This exhibit is located in a restored Canotex gas station. It's a charming stop that was made famous for its connection to the Disney Pixar movie Cars and its celebration of Route 66 history. Originally a service station during Route 66 heyday, the building has been preserved and repurposed into a nostalgic roadside attraction. Its name references the gas brand and Kansas's proximity to Texas. One of the station's tow trucks that we see here that many will recognize is the character Tow Mater from the movie Cars. The truck, affectionately displayed outside, draws visitors and fans of the movie from around the world. Inside the station, there are Route 66 automotive memorabilia as well as exhibits about the highway itself. Galena was established in 1877 during the mining boom for lead and zinc in the area. Early transportation primarily consisted of horse-drawn wagons and carts used to haul ore and supplies. But by the early 20th century, automobiles began appearing in Galena. These were largely utilitarian vehicles owned by wealthier individuals and businesses related to the mining. But in 1926, Route 66 was established, passing directly through Galena. This brought significant automobile traffic to the town, transforming it into a key stop for travelers. Businesses catering to car travelers soon sprang up along the route, including gas stations like we see here, which is where Gearhead Curios is. This building itself is a retro gas station that has been transformed into a unique attraction here in Galena. Outside we find classic cars on display, as well as what a gas station would have looked like in the heyday of Route 66 travel. Inside Gearhead Curios, there's also an assortment of Route 66 memorabilia, souvenirs, and unique gifts, including some handcrafted items by local artisans. From the 1920s to the mid-1900s, the mining industry waned here in Galena, and Route 66 traffic became much more vital to Galena's economy. But unfortunately, the construction of Interstate 44 in the 1950s and 1960s diverted much of the traffic away from Galena, leading to economic decline. But in recent decades, nostalgia for Route 66 has brought renewed interest back to Galena, and it's a really popular stop for those who are traveling the entire route from Chicago to Santa Monica, California. Our final stop on our tour of Galena, Kansas is the Howard Pappy Litch Park. This is a small park but significant space here in the heart of Galena. It serves as a tribute to the town's mining heritage and its place on the Mother Road. It also offers a charming spot for visitors to relax, take pictures, and explore. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of Galena, Kansas and the heart of Route 66 here in Kansas. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder Adventure. Take care now. Bye-bye.